Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your notification sounds on your iPhone. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Just tap the icon that looks like a gear. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics. Tap on that. Now scroll down again, and you'll see a list of different categories of notification sounds. These are all the different sounds your iPhone uses for various alerts. Let's start with the ringtone. Tap on Ringtone at the top. By default, it's usually set to Reflection. If you tap on Reflection, you'll hear a preview of what it sounds like. If you don't like the default ringtone and want to change it, simply select any other option from the list. For example, I like the radial option, Play Sound. Once you've selected your desired ringtone, you can go back to the main Sounds and Haptics menu. Now you can go ahead and customize the other notification sounds. For example, tap on Text Tone. I've already changed mine to Slide. Play Sound. Now if you're looking to really personalize your iPhone and use a custom notification sound that isn't on the list, check out the video that I'll link in the description. It'll show you a step-by-step process on how to create custom ringtones and notification sounds for your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you change the notification sounds on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, it really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.